Well, here we have a lovely 2010 Ducati Streetfighter, in this case the S version. So with the S version you got carbon fibre cam covers, lightweight wheels, Uhlin suspension and DTC, which is Ducati's traction control system, built in. Well, this lovely example we imported from Japan, and the reason why we buy a lot of bikes in Japan is the condition. So if you look here, great, really nice, casings are good. Quite often on UK bikes they've seen a few English winters, and really they're not built for our climate unless you really look after them. A few extras on this bike: she's got some lightweight ailer clutch and brake levers. These are very good quality and not like the usual Chinese ones which are very loose on the pivot points. These are very tight and OE quality. Also we have a Rizoma tail tidy along with number plate light and indicators, which tidy up the back and give her a nice cleaner look. Apart from that, a completely standard machine. Now the Streetfighter is based on the 1098, but was never officially called 1100 or 1098. It was just called Streetfighter and Streetfighter S. And when introduced, people didn't take to the styling initially. They weren't really quite sure what it was all about, and consequently had kind of a short model run. And now of course Ducati have entered the market again with the V4 models, and so the Streetfighter thing is here to stay. And I have to say, the looks grow on you. And what you're buying here is a lot of equipment in a very lightweight package. That's huge fun to ride when you don't need a serious sports bike. And let's be honest, who does? In the roads we have and the way most people ride, unless you're doing track days. And even actually you could have a lot of fun on this on a track day, but it's a more practical bike than a 1098 sports bike. So here we go. Now one of the lovely things about these is the speedo's reading kilometres and miles. So you'll see as we start up, set for UK settings, so the mileage will be in miles, and that comes out at 29,034. And let's hear how she sounds. Here she sounds great. Typical Ducati sound. Now, we don't have service history with this bike, as we often don't, buying them from Japan, but that's why we perform a full service. So this one's had new clutch plates, new belts, all fluids changed, air filter, oil filter, brake pads. Now the tyres are actually in great order, but they're a little bit on the old side, so we're actually going to include a new set of tyres also. We have both keys and the code card. Now, a lot of kit on this bike, as we said, Uhlin's front and rear, and really what a package. One thing to do is when you look at any bike, and naked, you have a bit of an advantage here because you haven't got any bodywork to hide damage, is take a good look at things like radiators and oil coolers, because quite often they're the most vulnerable part of the bike. If these are damaged, they distort very easily and are virtually impossible to repair properly. I've seen it done, but really once they're twisted or bent, that's it, they need replacing. So it's nice to see these look factory fresh. Things like the bottom of the forks there, no evidence of damage, always good to see. Handlebars are standard, mirrors look good, no scratches there. Again, footrests all nice and clean at the bottoms. Very, very nice. A super clean example. Now, she'll come with a 12-month warranty, and we're happy to sell anywhere in the world or UK. Just let us know and we'll arrange delivery. So basically you're buying a 15-year-old naked Streetfighter style bike, or original Streetfighter if you like, with a huge amount of power, great fun to ride, and cheap enough to be able to keep and really enjoy. So a great looking machine. So if you want any more details, look at the website, classicandrare.co.uk, or on Car and Classic or any other of the platforms we use, and we look forward to hearing from you. But what a stunner, in the best colour.